2019, I volunteered to do a campground ambassador program where I led events and programs for the individuals that were staying at the campsite as an alternative for fun. And it was a way for me to educate them on the campgrounds or the things around, or give them new ideas and fun activities where we can all come together and do them collectively, like sports or crafts. August 2019 is when I went. 16 days I spent in the woods. 13 days I was on my own. My girlfriend Erin would be able to come and visit me on the weekends, and she would bring me food and supplies, things that I would need, because I didn't have the ability to get them on my own. These series of videos shows what I went through and my experience camping in the Adirondacks. All right, I'm trying to get some lighting. It's very dark tonight. I'm not sure why. I don't know if maybe it's the moon or something, the clouds. That's probably what it is the clouds. Because I could see the stars last night. And the neighbors, they don't have a fire going and lights and stuff like that. So maybe that's what it is. But so tonight is the first night that I am sleeping out here on my own. It's pretty interesting so far. I think it just feels extra quiet. It's hard to explain, and it could just be because, maybe there's less people here, or the neighbor's not playing music. I really don't know, but it definitely seems extra quiet, and the rain is a bit annoying. It's making it kind of like, it feels a little humid inside the tent. I'm deciding whether I might brave it and open it up and attach like a flap or something to a tree and hope that still keeps the rain out. But I don't know if I want to attempt it, because if I fall asleep and it rains harder or something, and then water splashes in here, because it's mesh, So, Aaron left around 3, and I read a little bit of my book, and then I went to the coffee shack, and the Wi-Fi is on the whole time, so I was able to send her a couple text messages, check on her, and I had to go drop off. Every bathroom put the schedule of events for the day. I put those out, and that took quite a bit of time. And then came back here, listened to the podcast, and now I'm going to bed. Nothing else to do. It's dark and it's raining, so nothing exciting after that. Tomorrow I'll probably download more podcasts and see if maybe I can download a movie or something on my phone, and that'll help fill a little bit of time so I can go to sleep. It's kind of difficult to fall asleep. My brain hasn't shut off, and I'm not sure why. I'll go to sleep soon. Maybe it was because I hadn't done my good night video yet. My body knew it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try and go to bed again. Good night.